last video for the day. I'm gonna hit that trail that I did in the first video, and then I'm gonna head home because, whoa boy, I'm tired. Holy shit. Goddamn, that was loud. Really hoping I could. A little burnout. Dude, the sky looks so nice. Maybe this way it looks. Oh, that way sucks. That way it looks alright. Yeah. The sky's not too bright. The sun's over there. Probably shouldn't look that way for you guys. Sun's to our left. I think I know where I'm at. I can cut over here. Follow this trail. And then I'll meet back with the other trail, I think. Maybe. We'll see. And I wonder if y'all got that drop. I haven't done that yet. I can't. Too much for me. Thank you. Yeah, I think if I just go this way, I can't even slow down. And then go this way. Should meet up. Yeah. I really hope that's not cut. Okay. It's not mine. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I have to go this way. Meet up with that trail. Not mine. A little further down than I thought I was. So we're gonna cut through the grass. This is an amazing idea. It's not. Don't do this unless you really feel the need to. Or if you have to. Not fun. I need to get to there. I think I'm pretty sure I know where I am. Cut through here. Go back this way. Tension? Yes, wasn't paying enough attention. My throat's so goddamn. I'm gonna stop this here, and I'll get the next part up right when I get it to the top of this. Alright, see you in a few.